How to make money through dropshipping in 2023. Are you looking to make some extra cash in 2023? Do you want to start your own business but don't have enough money to invest in inventory? Then this video is perfect for you. In this video, I will guide you through the exciting world of dropshipping and show you how to make money by selling products online without ever holding any inventory. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping has become an increasingly popular order fulfillment method for store owners aiming to provide seamless purchasing experiences to their customers while minimizing the need for inventory management. By utilizing this method, entrepreneurs can sell products directly to consumers without the hassle of stocking any physical goods. When a customer makes a purchase from a dropshipping store, the responsibility of shipping the product directly to the customer falls on a third-party supplier, significantly reducing the store owner's logistical burden. This arrangement allows store owners to set the retail price and then pay the supplier the wholesale price, pocketing the difference as profit. Not having to handle any physical products or invest heavily in inventory enables entrepreneurs to focus on other crucial aspects of their business, such as marketing and customer service. With dropshipping, store owners can streamline their operations and concentrate on expanding their customer base and boosting their revenue. Find profitable products. Before starting a dropshipping business, it is crucial to find profitable products that resonate with the market. The key is to identify products that are in high demand and offer a good profit margin. Conducting thorough research is essential at this stage. By harnessing the power of Google Trends, you can gain valuable insights into the trending products and analyze their demand over time. Additionally, it is worth exploring popular e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart to find inspiration and observe the products that are performing well in the market. By incorporating these strategies into your product selection process, you can increase your chances of finding successful products to sell and build a strong foundation for your dropshipping business. Find reliable suppliers. Once you have decided to venture into dropshipping, finding reliable suppliers becomes imperative for the success of your online business. It is crucial to establish a partnership with suppliers who not only offer quality products but also ensure affordable shipping rates and fast delivery times. This way, you can guarantee that your valuable customers receive their orders promptly and enjoy the superior quality of the products. When it comes to selecting the best platform to streamline your dropshipping process, Zers emerges as the ideal solution. By leveraging the Zers app, which utilizes AliExpress, you gain access to an extensive range of products that can seamlessly be integrated into your online store. With Zers, you can confidently build a reputable business with dependable suppliers, ensuring a positive customer experience. Build your e-commerce store. Once you have decided to build your e-commerce store, you need to select the best e-commerce platform to make your online journey a successful one. One of the most popular e-commerce platforms available in the market is Shopify. Its powerful and user-friendly features allow you to sell products online effortlessly. With Shopify, you can seamlessly integrate your business across multiple channels, including social media and online marketplaces. You can also customize your storefront for a unique and personalized shopping experience. Moreover, Shopify empowers you to manage your products, inventory, and payments efficiently. Its intuitive interface is beginner-friendly, making it an excellent option for those who want to build an e-commerce store for the first time. With Shopify, you can set up your online store in no time and start selling your products to the world. Marketing your store. Now that you have set up your dropshipping business, it's time to let people know about it. Marketing your store is essential to drive traffic and generate sales. There are many ways to market your store, such as social media, content marketing, influencer marketing, and paid advertising. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can be great for reaching a wide audience and engaging with potential customers. Content marketing, on the other hand, involves creating valuable and informative content, such as blog posts or videos, that can attract and educate your target audience. Influencer marketing allows you to leverage the following and influence of popular individuals in your niche to promote your products. Lastly, paid advertising can help you reach a broader audience quickly through platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads. It's important to consider your target audience and budget when choosing which marketing platform to focus on. By utilizing a combination of these marketing strategies, you can effectively promote your dropshipping store and increase your chances of success.